Oh, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I just finished my aerial silks workout and I was about to daisy chain the silks so I could put them back to storage where they hang. And then I realized I've never made a video about how to do that. So let me teach you all how to daisy chain. So of course, this is once the silks are out of the air, so you can daisy chain the entire length of the silks. Because I already took the silks out of the air, I'll have to do another video about how to daisy chain the bottom of the silks when they're hanging up. But for now, let's get started because I see people try and do this all sorts of different weird ways. And I'm like, I like my way. I like my way best. So I take the Rescue 8 of the silks and I put it between my legs, put it right between my legs. From there, I take my hand and I kind of back slap the silks. From there, check it out, my hand goes down and around. So I have like this wrap around my wrist and then I have to do another half rotation to grab the tail of the silks. From there, I don't want to grab directly next to my loop. I want to give it a little bit of space so I have a little bit to work with. And then I hold my loop while I pull the tail through. Once I do that, providing I have another loop big enough for my hand, if not, pull until it is big enough for your hand to dip through, reach down, and pull through. Reach down and pull through. Let's keep going. This is ASMR. Reach down and pull through. Reach down and pull through. Reach down and pull through. And I guess let's see if we can go for one more. I only have a little bit on one side, but we'll do our best. Reach down and pull through. Now, instead of a long, big old drapey piece of silks that can easily drag on the floor and get dirty or get caught in something and tear, I have this compact little braided silks, which hangs easily in the storage area. And that is it. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button with the notification bell on. And until the next time, have a fit and fabulous day. Bye-bye.